Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your currency in a Shopify store. It's pretty easy to do. Just go ahead over to your Shopify and make sure to log in. And once logged in, just go ahead over to setting right here at the bottom left. Click on it. Now, once the website loads, just go ahead and click on General. Now, here in the center of your screen, as you can see, in Store Defaults, under that, you'll see Currency Display. Just click on three dots right here, and you will be able to see Change Store Currency. Alright, just go ahead and click on it, and in here, just click on the drop down. Now, you're going to want to select your preferred store currency right here, for example, US dollars. Alright, which is right here in the most used. Alright, US dollars. I'm going to click on it. And it says here, changing your store currency will update the currency of all your markets. You may need to update your pricing and shipping rates to prevent unexpected results at checkout. Alright, and just a quick heads up here, if you are already making sales, well, you won't be able to change your currency. Alright, there's no feature like that as of now. You'll have to contact Shopify support for that matter. Alright, now the reason for changing here, which is optional, could be testing payment processors not available in current currency, default currency does not match my intended choice, or experimenting with different markets. Alright, just go ahead and select one and hit on save and wait for the website to load. As you can see here, my current currency display is now set to US dollars. Now if you want to change the currency formatting, just go ahead and click on the three dots again and click on this one right here. Alright, that's basically how you do it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.